Wow!
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Only love to her like this po. And, sino ba po yung gusto ko dyan? Yung friend ko dyan, nakakasuhan pa.
Happy birthday, Anwar!
Okay. Thank you so much po kay Ma'am Benedict.
Happy birthday to Anwar! Yun na lang sa ano dito. Anwar, this is beef, ha? You try. Mukhang masarap yung manok nila. Oo nga.